morning. Thanks for tuning in to my channel here. A little chilly this morning. That's the stocking cap coat. But I'm gonna go get me some breakfast going here in my 8-inch Dutch. A little bit of a mountain man breakfast here. So we'll let these coals get going, and we'll get to cooking here. Let me show you what I'm going to cook.
All right, here we go. Got a little hash browns, a couple of eggs, some sausage, and some turmeric. That's good for you. And here's the little 8-inch Dutch. Yeah, look it in there. I'm going to put some of this Bayou Dust on it as well. That livens up the taste. So come along here and let's see how this turns out. In the meantime, we'll go find my coffee pot and get a little coffee going.
Percolator coffee pot. Got it on the side burner of my Oklahoma Joe's barbecue grill here. This coffee's a lot better than out of an old electric drip coffee maker. Grew up listening to the old percolator coffee pot on the stove in the kitchen. Just set that in there like that, close the lid, wait for it to start percolating. Let it percolate a little bit, and you got some coffee. This will be good too. So we'll let that go. Have some coffee here in a minute. Meantime, let's check to see how our coals are doing here. This Mountain Man breakfast. While we're waiting for the coals to heat up here, let's cut this sausage up just a little bit. It's gonna be the first thing I'm putting in the Dutch oven. Coals are getting there. Let's take a few of them out. Start heating up that Dutch. One more and that's going to be plenty on the bottom. In fact, that might be too many. I'm hungry and I want to get this going quickly. Just go set my Dutch on there like that. Put the lid on it and let it. Alright, some more of these coals have heated up, so I'm just going to put a ring of them around the top of the lid here. Use this 8-inch Dutch here quite a bit when I'm cooking for myself. I find it's about the right size to cook a meal in a meal for one. Alright, let's check this, see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that heated up pretty quick. Let's put the sausage in there. We'll let that cook up, and we'll put the hash browns in. And finally, I hear the coffee pot percolate. So let's go check that out and get us a cup of coffee while this is cooking. Man, I can smell the aroma of the coffee coming off that. I'm just gonna let it percolate here for, I don't know, another maybe a minute, and I think it'll be ready to go. Let's give that a shot.
a good cup of coffee. So let's drink this coffee while we're waiting for our breakfast to cook. Just a little bit more.
Alrighty, I think it's about time. I think that sausage is done. Let's take it out of there and set it aside for a little bit. Oh yeah. It'll be tempting just to eat that. It'll be so much better with some hash browns and eggs. Put the hash browns in there. That'll be plenty for me. Let's get the lid back on there and let them cook. Now if I can stay out of that. I forgot to put some seasoning on these things. Let's season those up. A little bit of Bayou Dust. It's good stuff. I've got some turmeric. Stuff is good for inflammation. Just a little bit more, then I'm going to put crack my eggs and put those right on. I'll put the sausage back in there and then crack my eggs on top of that. Let the eggs cook for a little bit, and they'll be ready to eat. Hardly wait. I have been staying out of the sausage. That's taken a lot of willpower. Bayou Dust, a Cajun rub that is packed with flavor, not heat. Enjoy this wonderful rub on any dish that needs a touch of the Bayou. Can't remember where I got this, but this is good stuff. Earth salt, garlic, paprika, onion, black pepper, brown sugar, hickory smoked powder. Sure livens up the flavor of your cooking. Then turmeric. I like cooking with this stuff. I put it in my dishes.
Helps an old guy like me with information. Try it on your next dish you cook. Sprinkle it on your eggs. Good stuff. So let's check that again. Maybe crack the eggs and put on top of it there. Yeah, those are done. Put the sausage back in there. Grab my eggs. So crack the eggs right in on top of that. Let them cook. Eggs are done. We're ready to eat. Let me grab the camera and I'll shoot it in there so you can see it. Well, let's check it out here. See how we're doing. By golly, it's ready to go. Let me bring the camera over here, shoot it in there, show you guys what the final product looks like here. It's delicious. Yep, right there. Looks like we got about over easy on the eggs, so I'm gonna eat that. Let's get it dished up and go to eating. That's some good grub there. Yes, sir. That is some mighty fine grub. Well, I think that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you give me a like. Subscribe to my channel. And leave me a comment or two if you want. Who knows what I'm going to do next. Absolutely delicious.